So guys, we are live on YouTube. In case you are not on our YouTube channel, endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow me on Twitter, on all our social media handles, guys. Information is the key to financial progress this time around. It's not really qualifications and too much of training. Is information, guys. Information is ruling the world right now. So welcome to everybody. And so I'm talking about we've been talking about this wire transfer for some time now. When I say some time, some years, not just weeks or months. You know what I'm saying? So, and something happened sometime, I think early this month. There was a news, right? And it happened that it was a false news, but then it took Bitcoin from how much was Bitcoin before? Yeah, from about $25,000 to about $31,000 in few hours. And then shortly after that, it was unraveled that this news is not true. It was a mistake. And then there was a retracement. Okay. There was a retracement. There was a retracement from on this slide. I want to see myself. There was a retracement from I think from from 31,000 went down to about 27, 28,000, and then ever since then Bitcoin has been juggling. All right, Bitcoin has been juggling between just around 30,000, right? Okay, been juggling, and then before you know it, Bitcoin moved up 31, 32, 33,000, and it's been hanging at between $35,000 and $33,000. And you know what? Why this has been happening? Some of the coins I told you guys, you remember I had a meeting like this. I can't remember the exact date, but I know I have had that meeting, and I shared with us coins to buy. I told you guys I'm buying 100 coins, right? I said I'm putting $100 into each coin, but I'm going to start little by little. So I started with $25 into each coin. I bought 500 coins already, and at the rate of $25 each, I can tell you the bull run is still taking shape, because the real money has not come in yet, because there's still speculations. All right, there's still speculation that this might be real, it might be a manipulation. But if you're on my Twitter handle, I posted on Twitter, I said that it might be a manipulation, it might not be the real bull run, but I don't really care, because I cannot risk staying out of the market under the guise of I'm not sure. I mean, whoever gets sure, nobody's actually sure of anything. Everything is based on speculation, right? In the world of entrepreneurship, you work by faith, okay? Not by just, nothing is a guarantee. So I said I cannot risk staying out of the market with the news of a possible Bitcoin ETF approval hovering around the air, hovering the atmosphere, and also the very close Bitcoin halving that should be taking place, I think, around April or so. So these are two big events that are major catalysts to a shift, a massive wealth transfer. With these two events hovering around, one of them is inevitable. So both of them are inevitable. One of them is predictable. The other one is not unpredictable. The one that's predictable is the Bitcoin halving, which happens between now and April. All right. That's predictable, it's fixed, it doesn't change. That's the code written into Bitcoin. So that's sure to happen, right? And then when it does, Bitcoin is sure to repeat its previous all-time high within a space of 1 year or so, right? That has been the scenario, that has been the cycle since the inception of this commodity called Bitcoin that has beat every asset class, even gold. Bitcoin has performed better than oil and gas, than every business that existed before it. So, and the narrow has been that every 4 years there is a Bitcoin halving where the supply of Bitcoin is cut in half, and then the demand has increased, then suddenly the supply is cut in half, and that propels the price to repeat the previous all-time high, and always it will exceed it. All right. So this is a massive wire transfer that is just hanging and is bent to come. And then also we have the possible approval of the spot Bitcoin traded ETF, which could come in this month. This month is almost gone, but anytime between now and tomorrow it can come in. It can come in next month, it can come in December, but unfailingly, I don't think it will exceed early next year. All right. I'm not sure if it's going to happen this year or not, but I can't risk staying out of the market. Imagine what happened for a fake alert, a fake news that there will be a possible spot that Bitcoin ETF, one Bitcoin ETF has been approved, and Bitcoin moved from around $25,000, $26,000 to over $31,000. And currently, based on that news and the expectation of the actual approval, Bitcoin is already trading at over $34,000 for the past 1 week plus, consistently, right? Now, whether it's approved or not, if Bitcoin pushes above $35,000, big money will start coming into Bitcoin. A lot of people, because 35,000 has been the resistance. Okay, it was 31,000 before it broke it. That news broke it, and then the expectation of the possible approval of spot Bitcoin ETF, BlackRock and Fidelity, I mean, Three Arrows Capital, all of these companies. These are the biggest hedge fund companies in the world, worth billions and trillions of dollars. And just 10% of their equity into Bitcoin will make every one of you, if you're already there, a multi-millionaire. All right. So it's a massive wealth transfer that's coming. And then what amazes me or what amuses me that a lot of people don't even know what's going on. Some people know, but they are still waiting. In fact, some people were actually telling me and arguing with me some time ago that Bitcoin was going to go back to $10,000. And I said, okay, you can wait for all I care. But as far as I'm concerned, Bitcoin has gone low enough, and it's not like it can go lower, but it has gone lower than it can actually go higher. All right. So what I mean is this. At the time I was saying this, Bitcoin was around $23,000, $24,000. I was talking to all of you. Start buying, start accumulating. And I'll show you coins to buy little by little. And, you know, let's look at it this way. So Bitcoin is currently at $35,000 and it goes down to $20,000. How much did it lose? $15,000. All right. All right. Eventually, when any of these things happen, the Bitcoin halving or the spot Bitcoin ETF, which are inevitable, both events are inevitable, Bitcoin is guaranteed to hit $100,000. Now, how much did it add? Let's say still from the point of $35,000. How much did it add? So it can't go lower than any more than it will go higher. So whichever way you come into it right now, whether you came in when I started talking about it a few weeks ago, a few months ago, or you are coming in now, you are still very well at advantage. Yeah, because it can only go low as maybe 20,000 if it does, even if it goes as low as $10,000, which is very, 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 very unlikely. But if it goes to 15,000, 20,000, or $10,000, how much did it actually lose? It didn't lose more than maybe $20,000. But then if it goes up again, it's sure to hit maybe 100,000 or even $120,000. How much did it add? You see the math here. This is what I'm talking about. So now, you remember I showed you some. Do you know that some of those coins are putting $25? Just this little movement Bitcoin did. Some of them have made $100. Some of them have become $90, some of them $50, some of them $45, some of them $75. This is massive wealth transfer happening before our very eyes. And it's so unfortunate that a lot of people are still in Egypt when we are already close to the promised land. It's amazing. And you know what I've discovered? People like lies. People don't like the truth. People like deceit. People, I don't know how to put it, but you just need to understand what I'm saying, guys. I'm not being sarcastic or see people. It's when you are showing people the real thing, the real stuff, they're not interested. They rather listen to a lie. They rather listen to those who scam them. And then, man, it's tiring. You all know for a long time I've not had Zoom meetings, man. I've been busy shuffling this thing, man. See, oh God, you are in my community and you've been listening to me for this few months, let's say very recently, and this bull run comes and goes and you're still broke. I'm really sorry. I don't know what I'm going to be doing after the bull run yet. I'm still thinking what I'm going to be doing, because one has to keep a low profile. I mean, and yeah, I don't have to let you know if I made money or I didn't make money. I mean, nothing has to change, but the truth is this: if you go through this bull run and nothing changed for you, I mean, your financial status, there's no shift. Man, you missed it. You missed it. You've been playing around. So stop playing around. All right. Yeah, it's good to do so many things that we've been doing all this while and they've never added up to us. They've never worked. All right. But then I'm not saying you should give up, but change your strategy. Change your strategy. So there is a massive wealth transfer coming in. Why? Imagine a company like BlackRock that is managing hundreds of trillions of dollars. And they said they want to convert some amount of their assets to a spot traded Bitcoin ETF, even if it's just 5%, right? Because you know how much, let me show you something. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. So for example, see, I hope this works well. Okay, beautiful. So the whole crypto market currently, just read this, okay? This is, the global crypto market cap is $1.27 trillion, the whole crypto market. And a company wants to come into crypto, into Bitcoin, that they are already worth, let's say, uh, 10 trillion, right? $10 trillion. And they decide to put 10%. The whole crypto market has already doubled. That's just one company. And as we speak, we have several of these mega companies, I think the SEC said they have over about 18 requests for a spot traded Bitcoin ETF before them right now. So you can imagine when I say wealth transfer, that's what I'm talking about. What is coming is big, like massive, insane, staggering. But then the truth is this, they are already accumulating Bitcoin ahead of the approval when the whole customers' funds are going to be converted. And there will be a humongous acceleration, okay, in the value of the crypto. Remember, Bitcoin regulates the whole market. It's always easier to watch Bitcoin, okay, the value of Bitcoin to determine the direction of the market, all right? Okay, so back to what should you be doing? How do you, this wealth transfer has been happening for over 10 years now, all right? This has been happening for over 10, 12, 15 years now. And a lot of people have not taken advantage. They don't know. Let me show you something. Let me use Bitcoin first. Let me go into Bitcoin. This is currently $34,350. I want to show you something. Watch this, guys. So 10 years ago, hey, don't say you've heard that before, okay? Just listen to me. I know. And that's how ignorance speaks. So I've heard that before. 10 years ago, Bitcoin was $65. Okay, that's 2015. Before that, it was far cheaper. It was in cents. But let's just look at when CoinMarketCap was already, in operation, and then it was $65, and currently it's $34,000 just in the space of 10 years. There are people who have hustled for more than 10 years. They've never seen $1 million. All right. They've never seen $100,000. Some have never seen $10,000. $10,000 is currently is about 12 million naira, right, in Nigerian currency. Okay, so this is $65. This is $65. And in a space of 10 years, this is the current value in a bear market. This is a bear market. Like this is a low point of Bitcoin in our current dispensation. Do you know there are people who had more than this 10 years ago and they put it in a fixed deposit for 10 years? How much did they get out of it? They got nothing. They got more poverty out of it. All right. The people who had this money and then they put it into a business, started a shop, and the shop has closed. I mean, maybe the second year or the 3 years later, it's shut down. I'm not saying any of those things are bad, right? But then, imagine somebody just use it to buy Bitcoin. So it's just maybe 10 years ago, exchange rate was about, let's say 120 per dollar. All right. Yeah. I'll show you something. So I don't know. I'm not sure it was up to that, but let's just use that. So if we say 65 times 120, so 7,800 naira. Let's call it 8,000. Yeah. I remember we were buying 8,000 naira then. And then the person just held it, and now it is $34,350 times 1,200. So in a space of 10 years, this person was able to turn 8,000 naira to 41.2 million. All right. Now, this is what we call wealth transfer. All right. All the person needed to do was very simple. Just buy the coin and do what? Keep it. Nothing. There's nothing else. That's all it takes to change your life in this wealth transfer. But what's about this thing? Number one, which coin are you buying, right? Number two, when are you buying it? And number three, how long are you going to hold on to it? When I say how long you're going to hold on to it, I'm talking about keeping it safe, right? It's important to keep it safe. And then number two, just let it be. Let the coin breathe. You know what I'm saying, right? So it's easy. Okay, so let's check out another coin. Which other coin are we going to check out right now? Should we check Ethereum? Second one. Okay. So so 8 years ago, Ethereum was just 42 cents. Okay. So let's work this out. Let's work this out. I want to show you when I say wealth transfer and what you should be doing. I want to show it to you. So 0.42. Let's try to put in the same amount, 8,000 naira, right? Let's try to take it to times 12 times 120, 125, 140, 160. Okay, 155. Okay, this gives us the amount of Bitcoin, right? 10 years ago, one Bitcoin was $65. So 8 years ago, you decided to use the same amount you used in buying Bitcoin 2 years before that year, right? Yeah, so 10 years ago, you bought one Bitcoin, you kept it, you didn't touch it, 8,000 naira. Then 2 years later, say you put in the same amount and you bought 155 Ethereum, $65. You see, people, you didn't have any reason to be poor. And I'm giving you that opportunity right now. So you bought 155 Ethereum. Let's say Naira exchange has changed. So you bought it for 10,000 Naira. All right? 10,000 Naira. Beautiful. 10,000 Naira. 155 Ethereum. 8 years later, how much is one Ethereum? $1,799. Remember, it's 10,000 Naira you put in 8 years ago. 1,799, right? Beautiful. So this is what you have now. All you did was to buy this coin during a bear season and then held on to it for 8 years. This is not a bull market right now, mind you. We're not just in a bull market, because if by the time we get into a bull market, if I do this analysis, all you are going to say, if you are not open-minded, you are going to say that I've heard that before, right? You've heard that before. Why did you take action? Because you've not heard it in reality. Yeah, you've listened, you've heard somebody talk about it, but you did not pay attention. It did not sink in. Yeah. So your 10,000 is now worth $278,845. Now, if you take that to current exchange rate, that's 334 million naira. Your 10,000 naira in 8 years could have given you 334,614,000 naira. Listen, guys, these are not speculations. This is what has already happened and is about to repeat, and it's going to be better. It's going to be, I don't know what word to use. Hilarious. humongous, massive, jaw-dropping. So, you see, I can go on, and you see that the more coins I check, the bigger the returns. Yeah, crazy. Two things played out here. One is the decline in Naira. One is the increase in the value of the coin. So 10,000 Naira, just 8 years, not 80 years, not 80 years, 8 years. Some of us have put in 10 million Naira into some stupid businesses 8 years ago, and the business and the money, we are still looking for where it entered. And all you should have done is just put it into this thing and leave it. And today you'll be mesmerized with money. Okay, so I don't want to go on doing this because, I mean, I think I've made my point. I don't need to talk too much about it. So I just, I was just watching, going through, like I told you, I bought over 100 coins even before Bitcoin moved, all right, to, what do you call it, 30 something $1,000. It was under 30,000. And I was telling you guys, I was sharing most of the coins with you, right? Yeah. And some of them, I can't even share them with you right now because some of them has gone up 4 times, 5 times. And we have not started the bull market yet. So tell me, what do you think will happen when the bull market starts? So, but the truth is, the research continues. New coins are still there to buy. So we keep updating. In as much as we have these coins are bought already, some of them are already in so much money. So what we'll do, sell a little from the ones that have gone up 5x, right? And then buy the new ones coming up. Just like the analysis I gave to you, in a space of 2 years, first coin you bought was Bitcoin. You put in $65, 8,000 Naira. It turned out to be crazy money. I've forgotten how much. I just checked it out for you, right? I don't know. Any of you can remember how much it was? And then 2 years later, you decided to buy Ethereum with the same amount of money, $65. And then 8 years later, it's giving you about 334 million Naira, 270 something thousand dollars. Hey, if you follow my lead, I can guarantee, I can assure you that it's very possible and likely that you could be seeing millions of dollars. It's not, we know that past performance does not guarantee future performance, right? But I know that in the 2021 bull run, there are people that put in some of the coins we mentioned. So they put in $1,000 and they picked up more than $1 million from $1,000 investment in the space of 2 years. Okay, so all right. I think I've said a lot about this already. So what do we do? I've just shown you what to do. No big deal. All right. Number 1, get the right coins. Number 2, buy them at the right time. Number 3, hold on to them. Don't lose them till the market goes ballistic, haywire, mad. All right. Till the market goes crazy. When you begin to hear Bitcoin is hit, listen to me. When your neighbor who doesn't know anything about crypto start telling you that Bitcoin is making people money, hey, check, Bitcoin has hit $100,000. Bitcoin is moving, it's flying. Hey, go check the coins you bought and start selling them. Guess what? That's when a lot of people start buying. And then the next thing you hear them say, Bitcoin is a scam, crypto is a scam. And they'll keep saying that until there is another bull market. And Bitcoin has moved again to another all high. They say, hey, Bitcoin, hey. People like lies. People like being deceived. People like failing. I don't know, but that's what I've observed. And so, those of you who know me, for a while now, I don't really have time, man. But this is life. Everybody should have access to this information, all right? But people don't like listening to the truth, to the real information. If I brought in something here now that is stupid, and I say put in 10,000 and you make 2,000 every day, you see everybody being inside, hey, send me link, send me link, send me link. And then you bring them the real stuff, they feel like, hey, what's it saying? I've heard all of that before. These things don't really work that way. It's not that easy. I don't think I can do this. But you can do something that's going to rip you off. All right. And they're all, and that's why I said don't repeat your mistakes. Because as I'm talking to you right now, you see, there are platforms coming up left, right, center, everywhere. And guess what? You don't need them. What I'm telling you now is how you're going to participate in the wealth transfer. And then if you decide to run after madness, man, it's your choice. All right. And then what they will do is they will distract you from the real thing. Those are the mistakes we've made in the past. I was lucky most of the past bull run because I was very much involved. So I was able to buy a few coins, like in the 2017, it was Ethereum. I was able to buy some Ethereum, I think about 10 Ethereum. All right. And then that was the first major money I made in crypto, mad money. I had this coin, I bought that and that made me over $2 million, but I could not cash it out because I don't have the understanding I have now. I left it in a centralized platform. And you know, when the money goes big, these guys, they don't want to let it go for you. They don't want to let you have it. So that's why I said, don't lose your coin, hold on to it. I saw my money, few $100s turned to over $2 million. I couldn't take it because it was a centralized platform and someone else had control over the coin. It was my money, but I couldn't take it. See that? Okay, so really, I'm going to be able to give you a few of the coins that I'm buying, that I bought, that have is buying the right coin, and by the help of God, I'm sure we'll have the right information. You know, a few days ago, I looked at my list of coins. They were going crazy everywhere. This one, 150%, 100%, 50%, 80%, mad. Some also go down. Don't misunderstand me, right? But you know, it's mad. And then I was like, man, this list is crazy. This is a killer list, man. So guys, right now, what's the strategy? Like the first thing I did was to put $25 into each coin, and my target was 100 coins. And I ended up buying more than 100 coins. I didn't know. I was just picking them. And then I started counting. I saw I've gone beyond 100. I said, woo, I stopped counting. I stopped counting. Okay, so now I begin to work on how to make sure I'm in control of the coins, right? And to make sure they are safe. So that's my concern right now. Some of them, I began to double up on them to $50 and then some to $100 as the case may be. And my goal, like I told you, was to buy 100 coins at $100 each. So I was deploying $10,000 so that if one of them does 1,000x, right? 1,000x is too much. 100x. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is very simple, guys. So I put in $100, all right? $100 into 100 coins. I spent $10,000, isn't it? Out of 100 coins, only one coin does 100x. I've gotten back the capital I put in 100 coins. This is wealth transfer. Now, how else do I explain wealth transfer to you? I bought 100 coins. Only one does 100x. And then I'm getting back my capital. And guess what? Let me show you something. What does it take a coin to do 100x? Very simple. If a coin is like this, okay, watch this. If a coin is 0.001, then I put in, let's say I buy $100 worth of it. I bought 100,000 coins, right? For $100, following my analysis. Good. So $100 gave me 100,000 coins. If this coin goes up and cancels 10 and goes like 0.01, it has done 10x. What happens is this: when you multiply it times my 100,000 coin, my $100 is now $1,000. Then if I still hold on to the coin and the coin struggles again, before you know it closes another 0, it has done 100x. 2 zeros out of the coin is 100x. So it's too easy in crypto. Some coins does 100x in one day. Okay, so my 100,000 coins becomes $10,000. If it closes another 0 and becomes $1, my $100 has given me $100,000. 3 zeros out of the coin, my $100 has turned to $100,000. That's 1,000x. Okay, so my target for most coin is 100x, 1,000x. But guess what? Some coins will do 10,000x. If you have $100 in a coin and it does 10,000x, you have made $1 million. That's why I know at least I want to see if I can take 10 people or 100 people into the $1 million mark and this coming bull run. All right. If you put $1,000 into a coin and it does 100x, you have also hit it. Okay. Okay, do 1,000x, sorry. You have also hit it. $1,000 into a coin and it does 1,000x. It closes 3 zeros. You have hit $1 million mark. If you close, if a $100 coin closes 4 zeros, you have also hit it. All right. Okay. I think I've said enough about that. All right. Okay, somebody said it didn't understand what I mean by the mistake I made leaving funds in a centralized exchange. Now, most of the exchanges are centralized exchanges. Binance, OKX, BYBIT, MEXC, BITGET, SUPEREX, the list goes on. They are all centralized exchanges. When you start buying coins, you're going to buy them in these exchanges. But as the bull run begins to appreciate, when your $100 is now $1,000, you've got to look for a way to get it out of that exchange. All right? Get it into a decentralized wallet. One you are totally in control of, and you're not messing around with it. So that's what I meant. So by the time you have 10 coins in one exchange, you put in $100 each, and some of them has given you your $100 in one coin has turned to $5,000. Your $100 in another coin has turned to $2,000. Your $100 in another coin has turned to $3,000. In one coin has turned to $10,000. You are seeing your wallet that was $1,000 wallet is now showing you $25,000, $30,000, $50,000. You want to get the money out of that place, because MEXC can say, we froze your account, that we don't like the way you're logging in frequently. We are not sure you are the one logging. And you think it's a joke, and you are stuck. Okay. and you're just stuck, like you're confused. You don't know what to do. We have the normal decentralized wallets. Okay, they are there. We have a lot of them. It's not just any of the wallets that you have seed phrase and private key. They are decentralized wallets. All right. The most popular is Trust Wallet. Do you understand? So that's it. Okay. So, but provided you have your private keys, your seed phrases for those wallets, most likely they are decentralized wallet. Okay. If you are not careless with them, they are safer, okay, than your exchange wallets. Then also you can also have and it's not everything, every link you visit. Do you understand? It's not every link you visit. Very important. Not every link you visit. So that's important. Then another thing, make sure you are subscribed to our channels. You are on our YouTube channel, on Twitter. Those are the two places I really want you to follow me. Follow me on my YouTube channel. Follow me on Twitter, because it's going to be crazy. I saw somebody posted that I don't have any money to, where's that person? I don't have money and I'm not working, but I really want this wire transfer. No problem. Just stick around. Make sure you're on my social media handle. Stick around and participate in the airdrops. All right? Participate in the airdrops. I didn't want to talk about airdrops today because that's not why I called for this meeting, but then it's very basic. Okay, so from January till now, some people in this community have made over $5,000 from airdrop alone. $5,000. That's enough for you to save, to become a multi-millionaire in dollars in the coming web transfer. So, but if you were not participating in airdrop, or you think all airdrops are a scam or a waste of time, and then you're not going to, you're still playing. All right. Most airdrops are a waste of time. Most airdrops are a scam. But how do you get the real one if you don't participate in all? You get it. So you must be able to sacrifice the time and energy to engage in both the ones that might possibly be fake, to be able to get through to the one that is real, to be able to get through to the one that that's how life is designed. Okay, God have faith. Without faith, you can't please Him. And that one is done. It didn't come as one end of free money. Okay, so I don't even post much anymore. I have so many of them. There are just many. So you don't know which one you ignore will become the real one that's going to make people $5,000. So much time and so much money for it, they can make $1,000. 1,000 is 3 days or even 5 days. Or too much. And then if it fails, fine. It's part of the process to eliminating the fake to get to the real one. You must eliminate fakes to get to the real. Well, I've been exited. So let me get you my Twitter handle. You know, since Elon Musk bought Twitter, it was called X, right? Yeah. So let me get it. How do I even get that link, Seth? Anybody with my Twitter handle? I don't know how to get this thing again. Okay, share. I've seen it. I've seen a share. This is the link to my Twitter account, but you can just search the crypto launchpad and you get that, right? That's the link to my Twitter account. You can just follow. And one of the reason I'm saying this because for some massive giveaways, don't worry, I'm about to make money and I will distribute money like crazy. I'm not a flamboyant person. I'm not an extravagant person, but I'm a stupid, crazy giver. So when that time comes, I'm going to spread it. So you make sure you're on my social media because I'm not going to be having this time I'm having now. All right. And nothing might really change. All right. Okay. So, but then what I know is that giveaways it's going to be massive and mad when it starts. Okay. I think I posted it on Telegram also. If you're on a Telegram group, you should see it. Then our YouTube channel, you need to be there. You need to be on our YouTube channel. You just have to be. You just have to be there. Let me see if I can get to, yeah. If I can see our live. Okay, so I can get, wow. Let me get the link and share so you can also accumulate them. Oh, man, it's taking too much time. Let me put it as, okay, it's open now. Okay. All right. All right, so I got the link for this meeting because I'm streaming while I'm talking. I'm posting the link for the YouTube and I'll also post for the Telegram, okay? So I have two things for you. Those of you who say you don't have money. One, don't miss any airdrops, okay? Follow the meetings and participate in the airdrop. Two, stay in the community, stay connected because money will fly. All right, I'm not kidding, man. What good is money if it's not being spread around? That's what it is for. That's what it should be for, right? Yeah, that's what it should be for. Nothing else. So question nine. Okay, I think I should share this on the, yeah, this is it. And subscribe, watch and subscribe. Send that right now, then oh, follow on Twitter, and then so if you are in any of our messaging group, you will get it straight to your inbox on WhatsApp. I'm sending the 3 links. Join us on Telegram. All right. Okay, so I've shared the links for our YouTube channel. Go there, subscribe. I've shared the link for our Twitter account. Go there and follow. Then I've also shared the link for Telegram. Hey, don't fade it, guys. Being in this group is going to pay off. I'm telling you for real, guys. It's going to pay off. It's going to pay off when the time comes, and the time is very close. The time is very close. I mean, you can't be making $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, $5 million, and you're just eating it. So you want it to choke you to death or what? Do you understand what I'm saying? So now back to the business of the day. Let's take a look at some of the coins we should be buying. You know, This one is called Lai. It's Lai Mohammed. Look at the name there. Lai. Lai. It's just Mohammed that's not there. but don't fade it because of that man. Okay. Yeah, there's movement in it. Okay. It's called GPT. It was previously called GPT, Crypto GPT. If you know what GPT did, Chat GPT did. This is Crypto GPT. And they just migrated or rebranded to Layer AI. Hey guys, all this needs to do is to close these 2 zeros, and I'm out of it. Because that's 100x, all right? If it closes 3 zeros and crosses that point, that is 1,000x. All right, that's it. Look at the market cap right now. Market cap is $1.7 million. For it to do a 10x, it will go to $17 million. For it to go to 100x, it will go to $170 million. For it to get to 1,000x, it will go to $1.7 billion. This is 1,000x coin. There's no guarantee, but that's what I think. All right. Then when you check here, you can see the all-time high was 7 months ago. It has already closed 2 zeros before 7 months ago. So it's very likely to cross it to 1,000x in the coming bull run. So don't fade it. Layer AI. The list I'm giving you, I don't think is a list you've seen anywhere. All right. My list, mad. And this is the list you pay $1,000 to get. I'm not kidding. I can show you my chart with some of the crypto, influencers around and how much they're charging. Let me see if I can see the one I chatted with Ifeanyi, how much he told me. Let me look for that chat. I mean, it's in 3 of his paid groups. So, well, let me see if I can see. I asked him, okay, I'm in this group. I paid, I think, $1,500 to be in this group. It's a Fortune Beach Pump group. Okay. Let me see if I can see that chat with him. Okay, he said it's $2,000. Look at it. He told me I was charged $2,000 to join. So I don't have that. Even when he asked me how much I didn't answer again. All right. But I hope you saw that $2,000. And I can tell you for free, even people on that paid group won't get the coins I'm giving to you now. All right. Okay, so this is number one. This is another one. Is still GPT. GPT. This one has 4 zeros. All right, it's not about the zeros anyway. Okay, it's about the utility. All right, so you can see what has happened. Nothing has really happened in this coin. All right, it's 2. Number 3 is ROCO Finance. ROCO. ROCO. Market cap is just $1 million plus currently. And then this coin has touched $7.9 by $8 before in the last bull run. And currently that means for it to even reach it to cross 2 zeros. So it's 100x gem. And it can also cross another 0 to become 1,000x. Don't fade. Okay, and number 4 is NEF. All right. $429,000 market cap. And then it has touched $2.5 before, currently 90 cents. Okay. When you go to this coin, you don't know where to buy them, just click here on CoinMarketCap Markets, you see where they are sold. If see any of the exchanges, make sure you ask me for link. Okay, this one is on Uniswap. It's Ethereum you can use to buy it. So I know a lot of people will not be able to buy this one. And that's why it's a strong coin, because it never go anywhere. Like they have not listed it on any centralized exchange yet. So it's a massive opportunity. Only one listing can drive it up 10x. One listing on an exchange can drive it 10x. Okay, so this is another one. MASK. Market cap $8.7 million and all-time high $24,000. So this coin had hit $24,694 before 2 years ago, and it's currently just 25 cents. So imagine this one doesn't even need to do all-time high again. Make it no touch $24,000. No, you should not try it. I don't like rubbish. Okay. Let it cross the first zero, right, from where it is and become 2.5. That is 10x. Cross another zero becomes 25. That is 100x. Cross another zero to become 250. That's 1,000x. Then cross 1 0 again to become $2,500. That's all I need from it. 10,000x is what I need from this one. I'm not saying to do that 10,000, but that's what I need from it. If it has gone up $24,000 before, to be $2,500, a big deal. It's not a big deal. All right. So that is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. Maybe I'll give you like 20 and get out of here, man. I'm already tired. $2.6 million market cap. It has done 10 cents before. Just 2 months ago. This coin has not been too long. It came into existence. So very, very good coin with a lot of potential. All right. Very possible to do 1,000x or 100x, even a 10x. I don't care. Just give me the X's. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add share. ADS. ADS is another massive $16 million market cap, $16.6 million market cap. And then it has hit $1,500 before. All-time high is $1,500. Okay. So all I want from this coin is just give me 1,000 or 10,000x. It can, because if it crosses 1 0 here and becomes $4.3, that's 10x. It crosses another zero, becomes $43, is 100x. Cross another zero becomes $430, that is 1,000x. I can manage 1,000x from you at share, okay? And then if it decides to go to $4,000, maybe more, a little above double the previous all-time high, hallelujah, I'll be happy. That'll be 10,000x. So we're looking out for a lot of possibilities with all of these crypto projects. Next is NIM. Oh, NIM is already going ballistic, man. It's already pumping. Well, no problem. 71 million market cap. And then it has done $5 before. And it's very likely to go back there. This is like 20x, 50x, 100x, anyhow it comes, enjoy it. NIM, NYM, Credo. I knew about this coin when it launched some time ago, some years back, and then I saw it. I was like, wow, this coin, I had to put it in my list. Okay, Credo has done $9 before. It's a massive 100x gem. It has done $9.7, almost $10 before in the last bull run, and now it has 2 zeros before it. If it crosses 1 to be 40 cents, 10x, cross another one to be $4, it's already 100x and does not even touch the previous all-time high. If it crosses and becomes $40, that's 1,000x. All right, so it depends on how long you want to hold it and your exit strategy. Next on the list is XTM, Torum. Well, market cap $4.5 million, all-time high $2. It also have 2 zeros in front of it because If it crosses the first zero, become 20 cents, it's 10x, crosses back to previous $2, it's already 100x. I mean, 100x is enough for anybody who knows what it's doing. 1,000x is possible, 10,000, even 20,000x. In fact, last bull run, we had about 3 coins that did over 25,000x. Okay, that would turn $100 to about $2.5 million, I think, or more. Or $5 million, something like that. Next is play. I already make some money from this, but I'm entering again at the bottom because it's still going to shoot. It's still dipping. It's a good buy. Play. Let's see the current market cap, $3.3 million market cap. And then what's the previous all-time high? Previous all-time high is 9 cents. And it's currently just like 1 cent. So if you hit the previous all-time high, it's just 10x, and then it will go off. It's a massive, massive. These are cryptos that have strong utility. There are some of them already have use cases, all of them. FRM, Ferrum Network. Ferrum Network is currently $1.7 million market cap. And then all-time high is $1.2, currently having 2 zeros in front of it. So it's a very possible 100x to 1000x gem. Okay. Called DAO. It's another massive, massive $9.7 million market cap. And then all-time high, 4 zeros. Now it has 5 zeros in front of it. So take advantage of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 5 zeros in front of it as regards to 4 in the previous all-time high. Called DAO. OBLA. ORBITER. Massive, massive opportunity. $272,000 market cap. And then look at the previous all-time high of this coin is $45, and now it's 28 cents. So if it crosses back to $2, it's 10x. If it crosses to $28, it's already 100x, and it's still half the previous all-time high. So this, see, I told you my list is a killer list, man. When I say killer list, it will keep poverty. Like, bury it and forget it. You know what I'm saying? Coinos. Coinos, okay. If you know your friend, go and make peace with God so that this thing will prosper you. Because if you get all this information and you're still broke, go and pray for mercy. $9.3 million market cap. And then previous all-time high, watch this. Oh shit, I've gone, we are adding one to go. Previous all-time high is $13.9, and now it's 40 cents. So if it crosses over to $4, it's already 10x, and then $40 makes it 100x. Very, very possible because it's not much of an old coin. It came in after the past bull run. So this coin has not experienced a bull run before. Most of the coins I'm showing have never experienced a bull run before. So they will be crazy. Like they will, oh, you don't know what I'm saying yet. Just make sure you don't miss out. All of you getting this information for free, you make money. You don't send me. Oh, I don't. Let me leave that. $109,000 market cap, and then all-time high of this coin, you can see, is 10 cents in the last bull run, and it's currently having 2 zeros in front of it. So before it comes back to this, it will cross to the rise 100x straight up at just previous all-time high from where it is right now. Reserve rights. Awesome project. And I'm already tired. How many have I given you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16. Okay. I said I will give you 20, right? 16, okay. 17, 18. Okay. Labs group. Oh, Labs group is already trying to do well, but it's still starting. Nothing has happened yet. Just $748,000 market cap, $728,000 market cap. You can see how fast the market changes. And then it was all-time high was, this one is mad. All-time high was 14 cents, and currently it has 3 zeros in front. So to come back here, it will cross 3 zeros. That is a straight 1000x. Ooh. And then you can see nothing has really happened. And these coins, if you want to know utility of coins, always look at the tags. Okay. So let me show you. It's in all the other coins. I'm not taking any stupid coin. Okay. Look at utility. Look at utility of a coin. Real estate industry, reward assets. Oh, crazy, man. Don't have time to go into all those details. Labs group is a massive, massive opportunity. Number 18 was. In the beginning was the world. Was already doing well, $2.4 million market cap. And previously 6 cent all-time high. And then it's currently at 003, 2 zeros in front of it, or 1 zero in front of it to go back to the all-time high. So 10x to 100x, possible even 1000x. I'll give you 2 more and I'm done. Just these 2, all right? These 2 more will make it 20. Moonwell, a well of moon. $4.8 million market cap. All-time high was 6 cents, and it's currently having a 0 in front of it before to touch the previous all-time. That's 10x to 100x gem. And then finally, props. Oof. Finally, props token. So for props is $748,000 market cap, and previous all-time high was 19 cents. So this one has 2 zeros in front of it to return to the all-time high. So this is 100x to 1000x gem. Now, if you watch all the coins I'm showing you, listen, watch all the coins I'm showing you, you will see that here, they've not done anything yet, right? And they've gone very low from here. Number 2, you see that they have utilities. They're not just baseless and useless cryptos, all right? Number 3, you see that they have not done much here. Some of them are $1 million, $200,000. There's one I'll show you that's even $60,000 or so. Those are more risky anyway. Your money can go to zero in some of such coins. But if such coins touch $1 million market cap, you're made. You're made of like 1000x, all right? So then some of them are $10 million, $12 million. But let me show you, even in the bear market, coins that have succeeded, let's see their market capitalization use. Understand why this list is massive. Do I have to look at Bitcoin? Okay, let's start with Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin market cap, $672 billion. Ethereum, $216 billion market cap. BNB, $34.6 billion. Ripple, $31 billion. Solana, $14.6 billion. And that is why these coins will also grow. All right, but I will teach with time what you can use this coin to do. You use them as collateral assets and use the loan you take on them to buy the more risky coins like the ones I'm sharing with you. Money everywhere, man. Mad money everywhere. Cardano, $10.5 billion market cap. Doge, $9.8 billion. The list goes on and on. You see billion. And we are seeing coins that their market cap is just $200,000. Imagine if some of the coins we are talking now, okay, their market cap goes to $2 billion and divided by market cap of 200,000. Okay, maybe now the market cap of that coin is $200,000 and then it grew to $2 billion. That's a 10,000x straight. So if you put it in $100, you made $1 million. All right. I'm not playing about making millions of dollars. That's why I'm going into each coin with $100 minimum. So that anyone that does a 10,000x, I know I hold 1 million there, and I know many of them will do it. So this will bring us to the end of today. meeting. I'm giving you 20 coins. 20 coins are enough. Those 20 coins are enough to make you a millionaire. All right. They are. Really, let me see. Frederick, very funny guy. He said, bonus 6 more, sir. Okay, bonus granted. Let me give you 6 more and I'll get out of here. All right. I'm actually tired. Okay. But it's good I give you because I don't know when I'll come online again. You know, it's been like 2 weeks, I've been 3 weeks, I've not come online. And some of you calling me, chatting me, I'm not responding. Please don't be offended, man. Man, busy. It's not intentional. We have Leox here. You can see it. Which coin did we even check here? Okay, this one was props. The next is Leox. This is one. I'm giving you 6 more, right? Based on Frederick. Been a while, Fred. Been a while we saw, we spoke, we chatted, anything. This was 80 cents. This is not an old coin too. You can see some of the coins I'm doing. This is just 6 months ago. It did the all-time high, 80 cents, and now it's at 28 cents. So it's a straight 100x to 10x, 100x, 1000x. Even if a coin does 10x, man, it has done well. You put in $100 and it gives you $1,000, man. Ballistic, man. Where else do you get such money? Phoenix, PHB. This is a $33 million market cap, $32 million market cap. Previous all-time high was $2.5. It has already done 1,000%. That's 10x from where it was in 2022. All right, about a year ago, and then it has a potential of giving you 10x to 1,000x, 100x even. Let's skip some of these ones. Some of these ones have already done their bid. Let's see Paribas. Number 3, PBX. So PBX is a $408,000 market cap. I don't think it has done much either. So it was 4 cents now. It has already, as we are talking, it did 13%, but it's still a good buy. It has 1 0 in front of it, so it can do 10x to 100x, possibly 1,000x. Which one would I give you again? Let's go to Octa. Number 4. This is Octa, right? Number 4. Octa. Octa has already moved. These ones I wanted to skip them because they are already doing some movement. 11. I'll explain something to you guys before I go off this meeting anyway. $11.2 million market cap. All-time high was 84 cents, and you can see that was 3 months ago. It's also a new coin. It has already done about 300%, right? That's 3x, but that is nothing because that was in April. Okay, the all-time low was in April. It hit all-time high in August, and it has not done anything because this is a 2023 coin, and it is sure to go ballistic in due course. All right, this is number 4, right? I have 2 more to give to you, and I'll be out of here. What am I going to give to you now? This one, let me see whether it has come down. This one did 150% yesterday, and I cashed out some good money. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, I can't remember. It did 150%. Boom, it just shot up like crazy. You can see now, money came in over a massive percentage. It has gone out too. So it has, I think it has retraced a bit. Yeah, it has retraced a bit. This is another mad coin. Okay, so all-time high is $35, right? I actually did the pre-sale of this coin, Aurora. I did the IDO in 2022. Yes, I did it in 2022. No, 2021, 22, yeah, 2021, I think so. 2021, 22, I did the IDO of Aurora. I still have the coin. I've not even used it. I bought it during the IDO. It rose to $35 per coin. And then currently it is having 2 zeros in front of it. So you can imagine, very big opportunity. So even the 150X we did yesterday or the before yesterday, I think it was yesterday, is nothing compared to what is coming. Aurora is still layer 1 blockchain, is a massive opportunity also. All right, so that's 5, right? Give you one more. Maybe I don't give you complete set. Aurora has already gone high. Oh. Yeah, Aurora has crossed $4. Bought this few weeks ago. Aurora has gone high. I can't give you right now, but it's still good. But that's, I won't say you should buy right now. My is it $30 in Aurora? It's already about $100 and something. Okay, so this is let me see where this one is. Just hold on. Let me see where this one is. We are now entering the list that have already gone crazy. So I don't know. I don't want you to. I need to go and check where I bought this one to know. Well. This one's still good, sharp, but it don't move. Which one never? Let's check this games for a living. I think this is just trying to don't move to. Let's see. Okay, for the 1 million, let me check something. Just a minute. This guy don't move. So this the way it is now is the all-time high already. These ones don't move. These ones are the these are the lists that I've already moved. I bought them before. I told you guys then now. Okay. So will I gift? Even WAGMI has wagged me some crazy money. But let's look at WAGMI. WAGMI, let me see. WAGMI don't move to $18 million market cap already. But let me see. Yeah. WAGMI has moved. Oh, don't worry, I'll get you one that's still warming up. One of these two. NSDX. Let me see. NXDS. Let me see. Let's manage this one. Has done some stuff, yeah, but it's still 8x down because all-time high is 80 cents and it's at 10 cents currently. So it's a good buy. All right, it's a good buy. You can see the utility is a layer 1 blockchain and it's also a reward asset. Okay, so guys, thank you. I've given you extra 6. Paul says, how can one buy these coins? The link. I'm buying these coins in let me show you the exchanges. I'll send the links to these exchanges to you guys. Please make sure you use my link. Don't just jump into any of these exchanges and start buying. You might enter the wrong place, okay? So I'm buying on, no, I didn't buy here. I didn't buy it. Sorry. I didn't buy on CoinWeb. I bought on this 1, 2, I bought here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. Others are bought. Now 12 different exchanges. Why 12 different exchanges? Some of these coins are not listed in more than 1 exchange. Some are just listed in 2 different exchanges. Some are in 3 exchanges. Some are listed in almost all the exchanges. But the thing is this: you don't want all your money to be in 1 exchange, right? If you're buying 10 coins, possibly buy them in 10 different exchanges. Okay, then of course you shouldn't buy just 10 coins. You should buy more than that. I'm going to be updating us as God enables me. I was really eager to do this. I've been eager anyway. I've been trying to do this, but the more people are calling me, they want to have one-on-one with me and all of that. I know how busy I am. I'm busy doing research. I'm busy accumulating. Poverty is bad. You don't want it to hold you for too long, okay? And you have an opportunity to break free from it permanently. You don't play with it. So no time, guys, no time. So giving you priceless information. I hope you make the best of it. And yeah, I'm going to drop the exchanges. I will do that right away. I hope you're in any of the chat groups, because I'm going to be sending the exchanges there, the link to the exchanges there. If you have some funds to spread around, go ahead and do that. Okay. Register, and do your KYC, fund $50, $100, start buying your coins. And God permits, there are some coins that have done crazy things, man. They just shoot off and took off and never came back. Lord have mercy. All right, guys, let me get you. SUPEREX, I'm giving you SUPEREX because they are also doing an airdrop for new people coming and also existing members. So if you've not registered on SUPEREX before, please use that link fast. Let's get that airdrop before their chain goes live. I will send all the other exchanges. I hope you are on our Telegram, on our Twitter, on our YouTube, and on our WhatsApp. I'll be sending the links to these exchanges. Okay. Yeah, let me send it first. WhatsApp general, yeah. But is that general WhatsApp I send used to help me to reduce my stress? So started from there, and then I'll send the others, okay? I'll send the others. So congratulations to everybody who attended. Let me see. Wow, Celestine, thanks for being here. CJ Nelson, it's been a while. Mr. David, Dr. Clem, good to see you, sir. Dubedi Barry, welcome. Hey, Barry. Hey, Mrs. Berry, nice to see you, Elisha. Engineer Ife, it's been a while. Wow, Esther Way. Some names are new. Frederick, Freedom Providence, Mama G, Gloria, is a long time. Long time. See, guys, I told you I would say something before I shut down. Happiness. Cost rep is here. Happy Mama is here. Mr. Jaja. Jane. I've only met Jane once. Is it twice? Maybe once. Jane, nice to see you. It's been a long time. Like we've met face to face once, right? During one of my events. It was nice meeting you. Jorkash, Kelechi, Fonsi Dollars. That's your username. This is some fun. Been a while. I've not responded to you. Nenna too. Mrs. Nen. Sorry, guys. I'm going to be very available when the time comes. Just don't crucify me yet, okay? It's all for our good. Look at the information I'm churning out now. If I was responding to everybody, I can't get this, man. Can't. Man, like, you don't understand. Getting this information is tough because nobody wants to give it out. Like, you have to pay so much money, man. So you have to find a way to dig it out. You have to, because it's somewhere. You have to just dig it out. Ah, happy. Lady C, my madam, good to have you. Oluwola Juko, good to have you. Pastor Chika, my madam at the top, good to have you. It's really a privilege having all of you come to this meeting. Ramatek, Samara Godwin, Sir White. Sir White, don't worry, your story go loud. Sir White has tried, though. My friend, Sir White, my friend from Abba. I think we've also only met once. Nice to have you here. Tumbar Badon and everyone. The guys are Ak Adebola. I don't really remember everybody, but it's a privilege, guys. This guy said it's new. Let me hear from you, Techno. What's that? Techno. Yeah. Talk to me, Techno K15. You didn't put your name, but I've sent you on mute. Respond to it. I want to hear. Hello.
Yeah, I'm a female. I'm not a man.
Okay, sorry about that. Good to have you. How you doing?
I'm fine. I really had an awesome time. Thanks for the information.
It's a pleasure. So, what's your name?
Ofonime is my name.
Sorry?
Ofonime.
Ofonime. Good to have you. Are you in River State?
Akwa Ibom.
Akwa Ibom. Okay. I've been there severally for business meetings. Okay, nice to have you. Who invited you?
I just saw a random message on my phone and I decided to join.
Okay, that means you are possibly in one of our chat groups on WhatsApp, right?
No, it just came randomly.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it's okay. I think it's that general one I sent. I sent
Yeah.
out a broadcast. Okay, it's good to have you, and make sure you follow us on our social media handles and be part of what we're doing. I tell you guys, the information coming here today has I've given you what it takes, guys. You know, when my eyes got open to this, I sat myself down and I was like, what have I been doing? So if I had bought Bitcoin and just held it for 10 years, uh, just little as 8,000 naira could have given me over 30 to 40 million naira. And then if I had held Ethereum, just same amount, 10,000 naira for 8 years, could have given me, even in a bear market, over 300 million naira. What the heck is wrong with us? Wow. So guys, this is it. And we're so fortunate to get the information we're getting, and I hope God blesses our efforts and gives us the success. And so please stick around. Once in a while, I'll be coming online, but I'm telling you, when the time comes, we are actually having a lot. We're having prayer meetings, these yearly programs that goes 20 days, 30 to 40 days. So I'm really engaged. So, but I know very soon I'm going to be a little bit free, have more frequent meetings, and then we are going to make the best of the opportunity. All right. Thank you, Afonime, right?
Ofonime.
Afonime. Don't worry. Sorry, I'm not murdering your name. I will get to know it better as time goes on. Thank you for coming. Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you. So every other person celebrates you guys, and good to have you. Yeah, so I was going to say something before we leave. Okay, so I'm going to show you something. When a coin is given to you, say go buy this coin, you don't just get into the market and start buying. All right. First, you want to check the chart. So where is this coin bought? You go to the markets. All right. And you're going to see it like this. So the centralization where this is bought is on Gate. So you go to Gate and check the charts. I don't want to go to Gate now. Let me look for another coin. That's another exchange. Let's say, we're going to look at right now. Let me take one of the coins that I know Where is that coin? There's one coin I know we did earlier that's picking off. I told you guys to buy that coin. I know I mentioned it among the coins I gave to you guys the last time I had it. The name of the coin is ARDROP. I told you to get it on SUPEREX, ARDROP protocol. So I even come down, so it's even a good buy. It's a very good buy even at this point. Then it was how many cents? Ooh, still shooting. Let me see the market cap now. $112 million. Wow. Let's see. All-time low. See? See? It was here. And then you can see the all-time high. It should be a few days ago. Okay. All-time high is 4 days ago. You can see. All-time high, 1.55. It's 4 days ago. So I told you some of the coins I was telling you guys have already gone. That's why I didn't, but let's look at it. So let's say I tell you about this coin, like I'm telling you now, some people just rush and go and buy it. That's not how you buy coins. You go to the exchange, you go to markets, right? Markets. And then you're going to see where this coin is being sold. So you see it's there on MEXC and it's there on SUPEREX. So let me go to SUPEREX where I just posted the link now. So I'm going to SUPEREX, check this coin out. So you come to SUPEREX. Wow, SUPEREX, what's wrong with you, man? SUPEREX can be very unbelievable. Okay. All right. So I'm on to SUPEREX, and then I'm going to log in first. Yeah. Log in first. Yeah. Log in first. And then go to markets. And then go to the coin. Here it is. ARDROP. You search it actually. I've already put it on my favorite. And then look at the charts. You can see what the movement of the coin. All right, you can look at the movement of the coin, whether it is at a low point or it has gone high. Look at the 1 week chart. You see what it has done in 1 week. See what it has done in 1 week. So it's not in a good position. Such a coin it's already up there. Imagine you're going to buy here and it starts going back to where it came from. Then you say crypto is a scam. No, you are the one that scammed yourself by not checking the chart before buying. Imagine 1 week chart building up without stopping like this. It's crazy. All right. This is one of the coins I told us about. All right. So I'll show you another coin I told you guys about. I told you guys immediately that fake pump happened. I told you guys about Pepe. I told you guys about Floki. I told you about Shiba. So let's see Floki. You see Floki? See what Floki did? The same thing that ARDROP did. You see the movement. So you don't buy at the top, you buy somewhere around here. You wait for the coin to have a retracement, then you buy. So first you put them in your favorite and be checking on them, right? Be checking on them. Wow, this coin is going ballistic. Ooh, token. We bought this one a few days ago. It was Floki that launched this coin. This coin did it. How many 1,000% a few days ago? Token. It's one good coin. Look at Pepe. Look how Pepe do the same thing. You see the movement. See the movement. So if you bought these coins at the last meeting I talked about, when I told you guys that don't listen to the crowd, that they are making noise, that I saw coins that shook the moment Bitcoin jumped up and came down, that they are the coins that would go crazy. I mentioned all these coins, guys. I told you about Hex. I told you about Zen. All those coins did crazy, man. Because Zen has even come down a bit. It has come down. Zen has come down. You can see Zen is back down, so it's a good time. You see what I'm explaining now? See what Zen did, and then it's here now. That's what you do. You don't just jump in. Okay, I hope you get this. I think this made it very clear. Zen made it very clear. Zen did it with them, but then Zen has returned. It moved, and then yeah. All right. So I've given you extra how many coins now? So Then finally, when you go to CoinMarketCap, make sure, I don't know how to get it from Telegram. Who is this? You need to update that is paying without investment. Who is doing those investment shit? That waste people's money. Okay. How do I search for coin? Oh, that's not, this is not where I should get this. Okay, it's here. Search. I don't even know if I have. I don't know if I still have my, I can't even. Guys, it's not available, guys. No problem. I will try to get it. My link to CoinMarketCap. So you get registered to CoinMarketCap, and then you can put these coins on your favorite list. You see, when you are registered, you see this place, you start them. What the result is this: when you start them, any major movements, CoinMarketCap will signal you. Let me show you. Any major movement, CoinMarketCap will signal you. Like I've removed all the signals I got of recent. Okay, like this. DC. You see, when DC did 10% 11 hours ago, I was told this is another good coin. I told you guys to buy long ago. It has done so well already, but it's still a good buy. Then when you see this one, I told you guys about this one to Obla, right? When it did 10%, 10.95%, they signaled me. I told you about it today. You see, WAGMI, I told you WAGMI has left. This also signaled me. You can see them PLS, Pulse Chain. Pulse Chain is another good coin. I told you guys about it. Pulse X. They will signal you. If it dumps to the signal, you rush and buy it. Okay. Aurora has already done 150% and it came down. Trade. These are coins I've placed on my, you can see them. You see this one was did 20%, another one 20%. All these were yesterday. I've seen it. This one 10%. This one 11.5%. This one 10%. 10%, 20%. This thing was just popping left, right, center, guys. 12 points. So you can now see what pushed me to. I said I had to talk to my community because Renex 17%, Dobbs 10%. Play went down, and I said I gave it to you guys to buy it because it went down. Most of the ones that went down, I said you got to go get it. Okay, get what I'm saying? So I think that's the information I wanted to give to you. Okay, see this coin, this Veracity. It's another mad coin. It has given me over 150% also, and I think it's retracing currently. Oh, guys, thank you. Let's call it a day here, right? Let's call it a day. Yeah. Let's call it a day here, and then we're going to have more time as the Lord enables. Okay, thank you very much, and do have a good night. God bless us all. Bye for now.